friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin. Hi guys! Welcome back to the CATHAY Pacific Fleet Updates YouTube channel here. With me, Roberto Monico Ignacio speaking here, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Huy. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Airbus A330-300 that flew to Xiamen this morning for maintenance. Beijing, not Xiamen, sorry. I mean Beijing. Sorry for my mistake. So, this aircraft registration is Bravo Hotel Lima Tango, and then she took her flight number 63820 with the great circle distance of 1,987 kilometers and an actual flight duration time of 2 hours and 48 minutes and a chop of 115 degrees as you can see it here. Let's proceed to where she took off at Hong Kong, Chaptapco Airport. So, hold on. This aircraft took off at runway 25 left from the near the gate in the terminal 1. So she took off there in 1:10 a.m. local time. She took off on the said runway at 1:10 a.m. local time. Then she landed at Beijing Capital Airport at exactly 3:58 in the morning. And this aircraft is previously operated by Cathay Dragon from 2019 until the airline's closure in October 2020 because of the COVID-19 pandemic and its merger with parent airline Cathay Pacific. So that's why she is in the new corporate livery of CX, which was unveiled in 2015. So for the details of Bravo Hotel Lima Tango, kindly check the previous video about the said airplane. So that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Huy. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.